We had a lovely stay at the Best Western Plus in Madison, and now we are back here at the Freightliner dealer and shop, wondering what's going on with our CC rider. And yeah, welcome to the joy of trucking. We're gonna find out more and let you know. In the meantime, here's the driver's lounge. We're gonna chill out and we'll let you know what happens. Please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us or hanging out like this.
So we checked out of the hotel, came back here to the dealership. Truck's sitting right out in front, so obviously they've moved it in and out of the shop doing something. So we went to the service desk. They said they just completed the 4-hour regen cycle, and the girl at the desk is waiting for the results now from the mechanic. So in the meantime, I went and took my locks off the trailer. It's a loaded trailer. We parked it here at the dealership so they could work on the truck, and I called it in, and then they said they were probably gonna split the load and have another driver come and get it sometime today. And I said, well, if it's gonna sit there overnight, I'm gonna lock it up. I'll put the kingpin lock on, and of course the doors at the back of the trailer are already locked with my company issued lock. But since I'll be at a motel, I won't be able to keep an eye on it. So they're cool with that because they hadn't assigned another driver yet. And if they did, they would let me know and I could come right over and take the locks off, no problem. So when we got here, I took the locks off and put the paperwork in the trailer box just so that it's ready if another driver is on the way. And he will pick it up. So now, like Tanya said, we're waiting in the lounge to hear the results of the testing and figure out if there is still something wrong with the truck or if we can get on our way. We're here on our reset, so in a way we have the time to relax and wait, and it was nice that we got to stay in a really sweet hotel last night, and we even went out to dinner. On the flip side of that, as our reset, this really should be our time when we can, shop or clean or relax or do whatever we do. So it's kind of meddling with that, having to deal with the truck stuff too. But that's trucking. So stay tuned for the next chapter. Beep, 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 beep. Live update here on scene. We go to our reporter for the latest on the Freightliner Cascadia drama. So here we are back again at the Freightliner dealer. Just spoke to the service department. See, the truck is in the bay with pieces torn off of it. Apparently it just needs a nitrous sensor of some kind that they have in stock.
Yay!
They will put it on today. They will do one more regen to test it, and then the truck will be ours this afternoon sometime. It's 12:30, so we'll be out of here before they close at 5 for sure. So the next step is to call dispatch, tell them we'll be on our way this afternoon. We are still on our reset, but we can grab our trailer here and deliver it tomorrow morning. So I'll see if that's all right with them or if they've already sent somebody here to get it.
Right.
But it looks like we'll be at a truck stop tonight, finishing our reset.
Which we would have to, because we're on our 34-hour reset, can you explain to viewers how we would have to handle that?
From the dealership to the truck stop would be personal conveyance, because we don't want to kick into driving mode and then have to start our 34 all over again.
Yeah.
That would be very bad.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
here we go.
And we get our truck back. Yay! I'll have Kevin explain it to you.
All right, we saddled up. We hooked up our trailer again, the loaded trailer. The last information I got from dispatch was that somebody was going to be sent to take the trailer from us and deliver it, but they hadn't gotten there yet, so we couldn't stay at the dealer. So we hooked up to the same trailer, headed down to a truck stop about 20 miles away, and we have parked here at the truck stop. We're gonna stay here tonight, and that'll be the end of our 34 reset. Sent some messages, not really sure if the guy is still coming, or maybe they're gonna change their mind now and say, he's gonna get there so late, you guys just go ahead and deliver tomorrow. Who knows? check us out on the next video and you'll see. The problem with the truck was an inlet NOx sensor. So they hooked up to the diagnostic and found the fault codes and then started checking a whole bunch of stuff. Seems to me this is on the DEF system. They had the sensor in stock and they were able to install it this afternoon and then test drive the truck one more time and then give it back to us. So we were done like 3:30, got out of there around 4, and it reminds me of last year around this time. We had a NOx sensor issue on the Kenworth when I was still driving for Werner, and I was stuck in Indianapolis for 3 days waiting for the sensor to come. So they were a little quicker to diagnose the problem there, but the availability of parts is what held us up. When I was at the dealership in Indianapolis with the Kenworth having the same issue, I stayed in the truck for those 3 days in the parking lot at the dealership. They had a shower and they had a lounge and I had all my food on board, so I was okay. But another difference this time, CRETE was quick to get us a motel room for last night because the truck was going to be held overnight and we didn't have to stay in the truck. We could have if we wanted to. We had a really nice hotel room. Really enjoyed it actually, and it was our reset, so it's nice to have a little luxury too. Lesson learned here with Freightliner. Things went a little better this time. So that's all I got to say about that. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comments down below, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you down the road.
Thanks for joining us today, and you do not have to wait till tomorrow's video to find out, because, hey, we went to bed, and then there was a knock, and the trailer was being given to another driver. So there was a switcheroo in the middle of the night. The big thing we can tell you is have the other driver put his empty in your spot immediately so you don't lose your precious parking spot. Anyway, it was a nice guy. We switched trailers and we went back to bunk. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Take care. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.